What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, coin calls, TA, alpha, and memes in our private Discord. Accessed by signing up to the Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. Make sure to watch till the end for short and long-term price predictions. That's where the good stuff is. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at VeChain here, and as we can see, looking as though we have got that pickup off that swing low we were talking about here. This being a very key level, we draw Fibonacci in from this high to this low all those months ago, and you can see here now, we did come down, we retested this area at the bottom of these lows here. As we said, we were potentially forming, lower lows and lower highs here if you don't count this candle wick all the way down to this level here. But realistically, looking as though we have potentially come down, found a very decent bit of support and got the bounce, just like so many cryptos have over the past few days, with Bitcoin breaking out of that RSI and then breaking out of the downtrend that it's been in for some time now. You can see the same thing happening for VeChain here, where basically we've come down, this is our RSI here, resistance, 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 and then we've finally got the breakout over the past few days in confluence with Bitcoin. Because obviously, in times of fear, all altcoins, they tend to correlate to Bitcoin very highly, as it just leads the market to the downside. And you can see here for VeChain, we have just been getting slapped down recently, absolutely smashed down ever since we hit this high here, this local swing high at around 19 cents. We hit a bit of a resistance here, didn't we? And formed this resistance trend line here that we drew in. And you can see we came down to this level of support here at the 0.23, back up to the 0.38. And then you can see here coiling in and around the 0.23 here before we got that final capitulation down into this, that swing low area that we're looking at here. You can see it very clearly on the hourly time frame. We came down, we found a bit of a range, didn't we? Where we were just chopping it sideways. Sellers looking very exhausted. Got this big, huge bullish divergence here on the low, where we come down, up, form the range, come down, we get the overextension with the bullish divergence on the hourly. We come back up. Resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, just going sideways and waiting to see what's going to happen. And then with Bitcoin finally getting that pickup of the low, you can see here we broke out, we come and chop it up in and around that 6 cent level, and we actually run all the way up pretty much to that 7 cent level here, but we did get a little bit of a front run for the sellers, taking some profits probably on a nice little trade here from 5 to 7 cents, which would have been a very decent little trade there. We're talking about a very nice trade, maybe like 30-40% there. Just get in and out potentially. You can see looking very good there. And now looking like we've come back down to test a little bit of that previous swing low support at 6.5 cents. Basically just deciding what to do next. So overall, it's good to see VeChain picking up off that low. We are breaking out of key levels of resistance there. And now looking like potentially if Bitcoin does play ball, we could be looking at further upside for VeChain. It's heavily correlated to Bitcoin right now, obviously. So hopefully if Bitcoin can continue to get back on its feet, we could see VeChain heading back up towards this 10 cent level at the very least, we would say. And then hopefully up to that 15 or 20 cent level over the next few months. Potentially if Bitcoin does get to new all-time highs, we could see VeChain doing the same. But obviously we're just going to keep our eyes on the short term for now, because we're not out of the woods yet by any means. And potentially we could be forming, a double bottom like this if we came down and swept the lows again. So before we do short-term price predictions, as always, go check out the free Discord in the description. Absolutely amazing community, over 1,000 people in there now. So much alpha and content being posted all the time by the community and by us as well. So go check it out, it's totally free, no reason not to sign up. Go down in the description, follow these arrows to the downside of this video, to the description, head over to the description and sign up to the free Discord, totally free, amazing content. And if you do want to get a bit more of an edge on the market, as always, you can sign up to our Patreon. You'll get access to the private part of the Discord where there's loads more alpha content, coin calls, signals for Bitcoin, etc. So if you do want to sign up to that, support the channel, you can head over to that and become a crypto maximalist today. So very simply, if we're heading to the downside, this 6 cent level will probably be a decent bit of support like this to get the bounce back up to the upside. If we do get a further roll, this level here around 5.6 cents, a very interesting level to get a bounce in our opinion. But heading to the upside, as we've said, we're really targeting that 7 cent level, and to the upside here towards that 0.23 level at around 7.7 cents, that Fibonacci level. Those are our next targets to the upside if the market keeps going up and playing ball. And then beyond that, as we said, we do think 50 cents to $1 for VeChain. It's still entirely reasonable to expect that this could happen. If Bitcoin does get back up towards all-time highs in 2022, we could easily see VeChain, coming up and doing something similar. And then it's only a 2 to 4x those kinds of prices, isn't it? So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting with members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times per week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychologist and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be continuously updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated in the community to knowledge and learning. We're getting continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in certain market conditions, and you'll find the answers to these questions in the Udemy ongoing into the future. This community will be full of the highest quality individuals, and is going to be an extremely valuable place to be in our opinion. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description. Remember, you can also join the public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are in the description for everything we've mentioned here. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.